Our motto this year is the Lord's doing.
This type of love I can't describe. That's why you stay on my mind and I just can't deny.
I look like a hot mess. We have to fix this. My hair is definitely giving off like Albert Einstein. I really just want to dye my hair back to black. Absolutely loved this era, like this blonde skunk stripe era. I think I need something new. I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'm just gonna do some dookie braids to put under a wig until we've figured everything out.
Good and faithful servant, I'm serving and I labor hard.
I didn't work out like the spacing between each braid, and now look, can you guys see that they're like different sizes?
Grace alone, but
It's giving lantana.
Word increase my faith, so man got drive like Mario Kart. I seen youngers labor hard and they just 16 like the book of Mark.
Count your blessings, oh, and your tender mercies, oh. This kind of joy when you give, I confess I no see before. And you are a blessing, you never letting me go. Always hold me when I need you most. You're always incredible, dependable you are. I'ma count your blessings.
I've got stubbies.
Lately I've been dealing with emotions. You tell me I'm strong when I am weak.
My ghetto little thing. It's just you and me in my room doing my nails. I am still a beginner, so literally don't judge me.
Feels like I've been drowning in the ocean. You're the only one.
What if the style doesn't look cute? But also I don't want like super long nails.
Never let me go. Tell me that you really got a plan. God, I need to know how I'm supposed to be above when I feel below. Yeah, I'm walking in grace, but tripping in fear. My vision is blurry, I can't see that clear. I need you to hear me. Can you just appear? Can you just appear?
Look at this, look. It's basically finished.
They said the joy comes in the morning. I guess I gotta wait till then. I wake up at 5 a.m. I just need to rest in him. They said the joy comes in the morning. Guess I gotta wait till then.
She said, Theo, I've had a long week. I just want to have some alcohol. And then that's when we were headed out. Who is going? I don't have shoes. Am I allowed to go with my inside shoes to the thing? No. Do-do-dum. He didn't deserve you. He didn't deserve you. Yours? My favorite shawty. I know you did it before. Trust me. We is not when I'm with you. There's always going to be another tomorrow. This is what we came here to do.
Giving forces I couldn't contest. Forgetting that your love really comes first.
You see, so I didn't go and get beers for myself. So I'm not a Power Ranger. Hansi Hunters Dea Mangwana and my mom. Yes, Shadi, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Did you even watch my last video? Did you watch it? They have no slots. I want to say it. Theo, it's cold. What if tomorrow after you're at the dentist, you come back and you're not able to talk? You shouldn't go to the dentist when it's cold. Huh?
You are the God who keeps in perfect peace all those who trust in you. You're the true vine, and I will bear much fruit if I remain in you.
I want to cut bangs into this wig. I'm not sure that I can pull bangs off.
Open seats for the righteous, and you always move the way for them. You wake me up in the morning when...
If this goes left, then I don't know. I just found a razor. Honestly, once I've cut this, there is no going back.
The only reason why I stand on my feet undefeated.
Shoot.
Only to God I pledge my allegiance. I learned more about your love in Ephesians. I see.
I have no idea how I feel feel about it. I don't think I did a bad job with the bangs. Like, actually looking really cute.
Yo, I'm like, you already know. Christ Jesus on my heart, enthroned. That virgin birth, no hands, that was the stone. These stones forming together, now it's grown. From the lion to the lamb to the lion. I ain't clay feet, getting smashed like iron. Putting pressure on our lives to become like the I am. Pressure on the earth to become like Zion. Jesus Christ.
Everything is closed and the dentist doesn't accept walk-ins on Saturday. My mom is looking at me like a crazy person. My hairstyle, you didn't even comment. You didn't even say, oh my word, you look so cute. You do look cute. I did in the morning.
Bangs. I didn't know that she had bangs today.
Talia is not excited about the bangs because she wants to have bangs. She's always talking about bangs, 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 bangs.
I will lift up white banner to show you that I will surrender. Your other will be sweet, papa. Don't let me go. You're welcome and hold me now. Yes.
Uncle Waffles when she said, girl, because you kept on she, her, and I'm like, huh? A girl? And she's uncle? Why wasn't she called Sister Waffles?
That's weird. Scandalous, them pagans thought you were scandalous, but your place is just so marvelous. You sent your son from
Mr. Uncle Waffles. Okay guys, let's go.
This type of love I can't describe. That's why you stay on my mind and I just can't deny how you make me feel inside. But I know you're on my side, and with you things fall in line. So I'll give you all my time. Lord, I'll give you.
You're always angry when we come to the shops. You guys left me.
in your arms with my comfort is. By your grace I will not be misled. Make my mind's restart. In you I'm a shot. All my life, all my time I invest. Got to you guys show my best interest. Let your blessings par. There's everything
Jesus Christ, my everything and more. We're living in the last days, I die at 2-4. Still showering with blessings, Ezekiel 34. I had a name from Quay, had a name on the block, on the streets. No man has sold hammers like 4. Used to hide from the light, had Jesus knocking at my door. Already got 3 kids, I'm trying to add more. If I had couple lambs, I'm giving half to the poor. If you wish to receive, you should give a lot more. Luke 6:38, it will pour on your life.
Fingers crossed that they have it, because I don't like KFC. So the one day that we're going to KFC, they have to have it.
Because she wants a Mr. Uncle what? Uncle Waffle Burger.
It's not even the fact that I want it because of Uncle Waffles. I don't even listen to Uncle Waffles. It's just the fact that it's a waffle burger.
Never going back into the being that I was. Never took advice from other people that I trust. Never knew that habits turn the demons in your blood.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks, Vanessa. Good, thanks. Do you have the Uncle Waffles? No.
Oh.
They don't have it, the Uncle Waffles. I'm so upset.
Why are you taking a video of me? I am going to hide Tony. 1 Coke, 2 Sprite.
I will lift up white banner to show you that I will surrender. Your other will be sweet, papa. Don't let me go. You're welcome and hold me now. Yes, scandalous. Them beggars thought you were scandalous.
We're now headed home, and I have nothing else to show you guys. So this is the end of the vlog.